With Guesty's automated messages, you can communicate with your guests more easily and efficiently. Message automations let you plan messages like welcome emails or instructions for your guest's stay. To get started, sign in to your Guesty account. Click on Messaging in the top menu and select Automated Messages. You'll see a few templates that cover common scenarios for guest reservations. These templates help you get started quickly with preset messages for typical situations. To view and edit a template, click Use Template. Start by giving the message automation a name, or use the default name of the template. The timeline shows when messages will be sent and under which conditions. By clicking on the first block of the timeline, set the conditions that will trigger the automation, including applying it to all or specific properties, selecting all or specific booking channels, setting advance notice, and specifying the length of stay. Once you're done, click Save. To edit the message content, click on the message in the timeline. Here, you can name the message, decide when and how it will be sent, specify who will receive it, choose how it will be delivered, and customize the content to include exactly what you want. If you'd like to add conditions for when the message is sent, click Add Condition here. You can search for and select conditions, like only sending messages after full payment. Once you've finished editing, click Save. Review the rest of the message automation flow and perform other changes as needed. If you'd like to activate the automation later, choose Save as Draft. Otherwise, click Activate Automation. In the pop-up that appears, review the automation and then activate it. Your new message automation will appear here, and you can quickly edit it, deactivate it, or add more automations as needed. If you'd prefer to create a new message automation from scratch, you can do so by clicking here, and then Add Custom Automation. If you don't have any message automations yet, you can click Create Your Own Automation. This enables you to craft automated messages that are specifically tailored to your communication needs with guests. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.